Hello, this is Nimita. This is where we learn how to combine Ayurveda and Indian cooking. What is chutney? Let's define these vocabulary terms when you go to these Indian restaurants or Indian cookbooks. Chutney is just like in Mexico we call salsa. It's a sauce, a complementary sauce that accompanies either your appetizers or your main meals. And there's so many different arrays of chutneys. So the end result is this vibrant, pastury looking chutney that is to die for. Thank you for watching. Do follow us on Insta, Facebook, and Twitter. Otherwise, visit nimitascuisine.com for more fun.